Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has officially dropped the Code Llama 70 billion parameter model, marking it as the most substantial and high-performing version in the Code Llama family. Boasting 3 variations, the base model, Code Llama 70 billion Python, specifically fine-tuned for Python coding, and Code Llama 70 billion Instruct, tailored for understanding natural language instructions. This release is set to redefine AI development. Let's rewind a bit to August 2023 when Meta introduced Code Llama as a state-of-the-art large language model for coding. Fast forward to January 2024, and we witness the grand reveal of Code Llama 70 billion parameter, a model set to revolutionize the AI landscape. The journey from the foundational model to Python specialized and the Instruct model signifies Meta's commitment to enhancing AI capabilities. Now, why is this significant? The Code Llama 70 billion parameter model is not just about size, it's about performance. It comes in 3 versions, all freely available for research and commercial use. This model has the potential to accelerate workflows, making them faster and more efficient for developers while lowering the entry barrier for coding enthusiasts. Meta is keeping the spirit of open source alive by releasing Code Llama under the same community license as its predecessor, Llama 2. While the license is generally open, there's a catch. If the monthly active users of your products or services exceed 100 million, you'll need to request a license from Meta. This move aims to exclude major tech competitors, ensuring widespread access to the AI model. Delving into the technical aspects, Code Llama is a specialized version of Llama 2, further trained on code-specific datasets. The sizes range from 7 billion to the latest 70 billion parameters, each trained with a substantial amount of code-related data. The 70 billion variant, in particular, is trained on a whopping 1 trillion tokens, making it a powerhouse for generating code. How does Code Llama's 70 billion parameter model fare against its competitors? Meta claims it surpasses the performance of GPT-4, scoring 67.8 in human evaluation. This places it on par with leading solutions like ChatGPT, showcasing its prowess in the AI landscape. The comparison data is self-reported, but the numbers speak for themselves. Excited to get your hands on Code Llama? Good news! It's available on Hugging Face. Simply fill out your details, select the desired models, click I accept, and you'll receive a download link via email. Meta has made it user-friendly for developers to explore and utilize this powerful AI tool. I know some of you have been asking about how to set up Code Llama on your own machines. I plan to make a video walking through the full installation process for Ubuntu in the near future. I'm still working on the specifics, but wanted to let you all know that a tutorial is coming. Setting up complex AI systems can take some time to get right, so I appreciate your patience as I put together a clear, step-by-step guide that ensures we can all run Code Llama smoothly. In conclusion, Meta's Code Llama 70 billion parameter model is a game-changer in the world of AI development. Its impressive size, performance, and open-source nature make it a valuable tool for developers and coding enthusiasts alike. As the community continues to fine-tune and enhance this model, we can expect even greater strides in the field of artificial intelligence. That wraps up our in-depth exploration of Code Llama's 70 billion parameter model. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest in artificial intelligence.